Hi guys, this is open box review for DEYUE 6-piece breadboard set. Each breadboard is supposed to be half size. Let's open it up to see what's included and let's check out the quality. Let's remove the plastic wrapper, and here's the open box. Here's what included in the package. 6-piece breadboard. Each breadboard is half size, which has 30 rows. Very standard. And you can see the pretty good quality of plastic. Here's each hole marked with numbers, so you don't have to do the 5 counts. Very convenient. And here's a resistor, through hole resistor. No problem to put it into the hole. I feel it's tight, but no problem to put it in. And let's compare with the competitor's product. For DEYUE's product, each one has clear number, but for competitor product, the number marked not as clear as the DEYUE. So DEYUE is the winner. And the other thing I like DEYUE is a modular design. So all the 6 pieces, you can put them together through the holes and the extender. And how is put it on? This is horizontally. You start from the bottom and slide it in through the extender slots, and very easy to put it on. And you can also put the extender from the side, and you make this. You can keep growing. You can put all the 6 half-size breadboard together, become a huge breadboard. You can make any complex the DIY project. Now you can see the quality. Very good plastic, and also very straightforward numbering. And here's the DIP 6 chips. Put it on, looks really good. I really like this quality. Modular design gonna fit for all the DIY project.